Yeah, that's a malfunction, all right.
We never heard a horn.
Nope.
We have a train here in Elkhart, folks. Could that be what he is waiting for?
Yep.
What?
That makes sense.
Well, now we know what's going on. Fly on me! Get it! Get that fly off of me! Buddy? The camera's good. Oh no! Oh no! Look it! How does this way go? Wait, I just don't want to know! What's happening, folks? What's happening, folks? Oh no! Oh no! Is someone here moving out or no? Oh no! Daddy, oh no! I hope he does! And then we'll never get home. Is he moving out or no? Is the one here moving out or no? I did not tell you to drink that. I told you to have me take a drink of it. Me. Not you. So please walk it back up here and give it to me. Whoa, his headlight is blinking, look! And this guy's motorcycle, look! There are a lot of cars! And come on, Daddy! I am thirsty, I want to have a drink! Is he gonna block this road or no?
What?
Shoot!
Oh, what?
Alright! Time to have my shirt off!
What?
Take it off!
No, here. That'll dry.
Here, take it off for now and let it dry, I guess!
No, just keep it on for a minute.
Until I get in the car? shoot! And now the inside of my shirt's all wet, Daddy. Now what? No, I'm not fine. Oh, yay! STOP train! Oh, yes! Is he gonna block this road or no? You think he might? Did he? You think he's gonna, or you doubt it? Oh no! Oh no! Here comes an ambulance behind us! Oh no! Daddy! Oh no! Is there really one behind me? Daddy! What? Daddy! Oh no! Is he actually gonna STOP, Daddy? Is he going very, very slow? Is he moving? I don't know. Oh no! He's over there on that one-way road. Oh no! Don't you even say this, train! Don't even say this! Daddy, look, what? Is he really gonna... Is he gonna stop again or no? Does it really look like it? Big time? Is there or no? Oh yes! Daddy, oh yes! Look at all the cars on the other side! What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do, Daddy? What about that sign, Daddy? It actually says not to. It says to have your car in park and have your engine turned off. Is he gonna block this road or no? Is he really slowing down, Daddy? Daddy, is he slowing down? How fast is he going? About 9? You know what I think, Daddy? I am gonna guess that yes, he will block this road. What do you want to guess? He will? Has he ever or no? Can you even see the other train or no? Can you even see the other one or no? know what I think he's gonna do? I bet he is gonna block this and then he is gonna have that other one go by. Did he slow down more or no? What? How far is he down to? 5? Is he really? He is gonna block this, isn't he? Are the gates gonna go up maybe? Oh! Oh no! Is the one here only down to 3 now? Is he gonna hit 0? Here comes the other one, Danny! Oh no! You know what? I believe that these gates are gonna stay down, right, Danny? You bet they will? Down the folks and all the cars! Oh no! Oh no, look! Norfolk Southern going by now! He's not the CP unit! Oh no, no! A lot of train action here, Danny! A lot! Get the move! Say it! How far is the other train? Only about an 8? About half a mile? I can hear some more sirens. I wonder if the one I'm hearing is... Oh no, look over here! Daddy, oh no! I got him on video! Because I bet everyone else could hear it too! And here comes another one! I can hear another horn! What the heck is going on around here? Is there a lot of train action going on? A lot? Here comes that CP unit! Oh no! Three trains, Danny! In one video! 3 in 1! On this NS Chicago line special. Let's see it. Was he honking at me?
Yeah, just saying hi.
I got that on video, but 14 minutes of a video. Look at that CP unit. He's sitting there still. Did the NS unit sit there now? Should this other one about to take off? I better get ready in the same video. But you know what? After he goes by, I think we're gonna have to leave after him. But the other one was on that further right track. But the one over here is on the left track. I think it's gonna switch over here. But when? Let me guess. I bet they're gonna go back down like crazy, and then we're not gonna see any train taking off. Were you actually worried about him taking off whenever these went off? Were you actually guessing it was him or no? We have a lot of sirens here today. That's right. I have my head today. From the railroad, of course. Where's he coming from? Hey! I do not see any more smoke, did he? It sounds like I can hear one over here on Prairie. Another police. You do? It could be that. Could that be what you're hearing? What was it? What in the world is going on around here?
I don't know. We're in all kinds of sirens and trains and everything out here in the big town of Elkhart.
How far is he?
He's only about half a mile.
Well, what about the other one that was going very slow?
Yeah, he's only about half a mile too because he's blind.
If the end of it was right next to the engine, he would be a half a mile, but I think it's about a mile and a half. Just. So that's it for now.
This can't be.
We got another one coming, folks. I know what. Well, you told me you heard another horn. What? What? Another NS. What? Say what? Could that be what he is actually looking for? It's for him? Could he be waiting for him? Dang! 19 minutes of a video, what? Oh, get it! Look at him! He's actually switching tracks, look! Behind him! Oh no, it wasn't heading this way, look! Look on the wood! Damn it, look! Oh no! Kitty! Look at it! Kitty! Oh no! Ooh, he went out! Oh no! He's leaking water! Look, he's leaking water! Another fire truck again! Look over here! What? Look at it, Kitty! Oh no! What is going on around here? Has the other one left it or no? No, Daddy, he's got his lights on, look!
Yep.
Here comes the post office man emptying out. Well, let me guess, he's gonna go to this track here. What do you want to say, Diddy? That yes? Is he gonna switch or no? Is he gonna be switching tracks or no? I better look out just in case. Well, I'll try because
You don't know for sure that he's going there.
but if he does, I got 2 crossing gates in the video. Oh no no! First time ever that I have ever filled 5 trains in one. But I am gonna have to keep pausing it in every certain amount of minutes if I want the whole thing in the frame. See the end of him yet? Is he moving out or no? We are having a lot of train action out here today. Oh no! End of him yet or no? See the end of him yet? You drink all my water? Oh no! You drink all my water? What? And do not pour it on my shirt.
Wait, hold still.
No, no, don't. Go slow.
How's that?
There. Better. leave! Daddy, video leave! Come here! Is he moving out now?
No.
I am.
Yeah.
After he goes by, we better head in. We better walk to the car.
Yeah. Good idea. You're about to turn into Larry Lobster.
Here, Daddy, while you're at it, put that in the car.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Since I'm going to be watching for cars. Wow, 26 minutes of a video.
What?
That's what I said, Daddy.
Yeah. Okay. There he goes.
I just heard another horn. What? What? Was it his? Well, that's